Micro Center is a store where you can come to as a nerd to speak to other nerds who love this stuff.
Most of the day-to-day tasks that our technicians are staffed with involve diagnostics or repairs, upgrades.
I always learn something new every day because something new always comes up.
I like the fact that the job is very dynamic. You're always going to be learning. You're always going to be changing how you do things as far as the job goes. You're always going to learn how to do it better.
If you like to learn about computers or just like other hardware or other consumer electronics, we got plenty of stuff. It feels like it's helping me out like for my own career, and I didn't really have that opportunity before.
They offer free reimbursement of all the Apple repair certifications, and which I take advantage of. Eventually I got Apple certified.
I've studied IT in college, but most of what I've learned is from Micro Center directly. It's the hands-on experience that we use and that we learn here with every single different computer repair or every computer that's checked in.
The culture in service is very teamwork based.
We all have pretty similar interests too. Everybody's like a fan of tech or maybe some other things.
It's a more fun environment than a lot of people would think for a service department.
Micro Center, it feels like a second home to me. It feels like everyone are themselves.
And people who work here are excellent. I like coming to work because I know that I'm going to get to see them and I'm going to get to work with them.
If you're interested in computers, it's one of the best jobs you can get out there.
You want to learn things, different innovations, different techniques on how to repair things, or just different skills in general, you'd want to work at Micro Center.
And because everybody works together, you really get involved with this family that we've created pretty quickly. So I would never discourage anybody to apply and get connected with the service center.